Well, look, I think if you're considering coming to DentalWorld, Budapest is a wonderful city. We're looked after really well. The Congress is fantastic. The stalls are fantastic. Don't hesitate, just come on down. Thank you. My name's Dr. Matthew Vaughan. I'm an orthodontist from Australia. So my field of work's orthodontics. So I deal primarily in the occlusion of the teeth and dentofacial orthopedics. So how the jaws fit together, how the teeth fit together, and how we can make people's lives better through giving them beautiful smiles. So I brought a lecture on fixed retainers, so more specifically how to give patients straight teeth that will last them not just 2, 3 or 5 years, but how to keep their smiles beautiful and straight for their whole lives, 20 or 30 years and even beyond. Yeah, DentalWorld's an incredible event. We've got so many different specialties here. We've got clinicians from all over the world. They're the top of their game. They're presenting really relevant content and information that's not just academic, but you can take it home into your practice straight away. And I'm just absolutely stoked to be here. Well, I think just the breadth of experience that we have at DentalWorld. We have a congress on aesthetics. We have a congress on implantology. It's not just a couple of people from your local town or your local city presenting on what they can. It's truly international, and everyone who's presenting is presenting the best content and knowledge they have to make everybody's clinical practice better. Look, I think if you're considering coming to DentalWorld, Budapest is a wonderful city. We're looked after really well. The Congress is fantastic. The stalls are fantastic. Don't hesitate, just come on down.